Everyone, trust you all are doing well. We got our results for our polling that we created to determine if we want to do the blog or the business to business directory. And thank you to the 20 viewers that voted. So we decided we're going to do the blog. All right. So on the business directory, it came in second with 20% of the views. Overwhelming majority voted for the blog. And then we have the coaching website of the 5%. Right. So there's other members that actually in the YouTube comments that said they kind of interested in actually if we build a business to business directory. So I was thinking I will do both. All right. So I will do the blog. So we will do this one obviously first and finish it. So give me a week or so just to prepare everything for this one. Because what I will do is I will design a blog template to work from so that we don't have to work with a view, but more the logic. Right, so you can obviously use template or you can use your own. So just give me a week or so just to decide how I want to do this. All right, for the business to business directory, only for paid membership can have listings. So this one I will create as well. So this one would probably take about 6 months if we started to finish it, because there's quite a lot. For those that might not know what this looks like, I got Alibaba open here. So basically what you have is you've got a buyer section, you've got a supplier section, all right? Now the suppliers can buy basically different tiers of membership to the site, all right? You can obviously have free, and then you have your different silver, platinum, gold, or whatever the case may be, that kind of tier membership. So we can have more or less the same thing. Now, the other thing is with IndiaMart as well, they do the same thing. So where we connect buyers and sellers. So I was thinking we're going to build something like this, but we're not going to use JavaScript, because what they do is they got an API at the back end. They got JavaScript at the front end to do a lot of functionality and things for them. All right. But what we're going to do is we're going to use the Laravel and Livewire to kind of do the same things. All right. And later on, if we see how things go, we might later on just change it to use Vue.js in the front end and the Laravel API at the back. And we can decide if we want to do that. But I decided I'm going to do both, but we're going to obviously finish the blog with the free and paid memberships. And after that, we're probably going to do the directory. I will just put this as optional. I might or I might not. All right. So please don't, but I have already built this before, so it's not that issue. It's just a lot of work that have to go into it. All right, and it's quite handy. There's a lot of nuggets of knowledge that we can learn if we do this one. All right, but let's do the blog free and paid membership. Just give me a week or so to just prepare the template, and I will upload it to GitHub. And then from there we can start the thing. All right. So what I will do in this one, we will approach it as if it's a project for a client. All right. What questions must you ask to the client? Obviously, I'm not going to ask for feedback in this one, in the sense of what to add or not. But what you will do is we will approach it in a sense of asking questions to a client, because the reason for that is, how would you normally work with projects like this is you will ask your clients kind of a lot of different questions. How many users? Who is it catering for? Who's going to log in? Who's going to do all that kind of stuff? We're going to ask those questions in the beginning and right through the project, so you can learn how to do that as well. All right. So this is what we're going to be building. Just give me a week. Like I said before, I'm just repeating myself. Just give me a week to prepare the template. All right. So thank you guys for watching. So look forward to the series where we're going to be able to build this one out. So that will take probably 2 months or a month to finish it. But just bear with us. Right throughout this one, I'll put a little bit more advanced features in it so that we can be able to learn a lot more with Laravel. It's quite a nice thing that we can build with it, but yes. Right. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like the video, please give it a like and please look forward to it. Ring the bell icon so that you can get notified as soon as I upload the next video so that you don't get left behind. Right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.